The BLACK+DECKER CM0700B is a compact 5-cup coffee maker for quick, everyday brewing. It offers one-touch brewing, sneak a cup, and a drip-free carafe for easy use. What's in the box? In the box, you find the BLACK+DECKER CM0700B Coffeemaker, filter basket, 5-cup Duralife Glass Carafe, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. The BLACK+DECKER CM0700B is a simple, compact 5-cup coffee maker for quick, everyday brewing. It uses either the included reusable filter or a standard paper filter, and the Easy View water window helps measure the right amount of water. Brewing starts immediately after turning it on, producing a full 5-cup pot in about 5 minutes. The coffee reaches a hot serving temperature of about 167 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit, and the carafe pours smoothly without dripping. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the removable filter basket, making it a convenient option for small kitchens, offices, or brewing directly into travel mugs. How to clean. To descale the BLACK+DECKER CM0700B, first ensure the water reservoir and carafe are empty, remove any reusable filter, and leave the brew basket installed. Pour white vinegar into the reservoir up to the 2-cup mark, then add fresh water until it reaches the 5-cup mark. Place the empty carafe on the warming area, close the lid, and start a brew cycle. When the brewed liquid reaches the 3-cup mark in the carafe, turn the machine off and let the vinegar solution soak inside the heating system for 15 to 30 minutes. After soaking, turn the coffee maker back on and allow the cycle to finish. Discard the vinegar solution, rinse the carafe and brew basket thoroughly, then run 3 full brew cycles using only fresh water to remove any remaining vinegar taste or odor. Be careful when handling the machine, as hot water and steam may be present during the cleaning process. Smart features? Pause the brewing process and pour a cup before the cycle is complete without creating a mess. Perfect for those who can't wait for the full pot to finish brewing. Its small footprint fits easily in apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and kitchens with limited counter space. Ideal for individuals or small households that don't need a large coffee maker. The durable 5-cup glass carafe is designed for comfortable handling and drip-free pouring. It helps serve coffee cleanly while reducing spills and drips. The removable brew basket is easy to wash and compatible with basket-style paper filters. Cleanup is quick and convenient after every brew. Simple flip switch operation starts brewing instantly, while the illuminated power switch shows when the machine is on. A straightforward design makes daily coffee brewing effortless. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the BLACK+DECKER CM0700B Coffeemaker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your BLACK+DECKER CM0700B Coffeemaker. See you at the next one.